Hi, in this video I will show you how to delete an Instagram account. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to paste a link that is also in the description, and this link will take us directly to the delete account part of Instagram. We have to enter with our account, and now we're here. It says delete account. It's going to ask us why do we want to eliminate it. I'm going to say privacy issues. Yeah, I'm going to say privacy issues. And there it says another things about another safety measures if we want to secure our privacy, and then it tells us to put our password again, and yeah, that would be all. Below it says that the details of our account and our profile will be eliminated off the Instagram database on June 12th, 2024. After then, it's not going to exist in that database anymore, our account. Yeah. That would be all. That's how you delete an Instagram account.